Hello everyone, my name is Xinling Guo. Today I'm going to teach you about punctuation. First, let's take a look at comma. Commas and periods are the most frequently used punctuation marks. Commas customarily indicate a brief pause. They are not as final as periods. The rules for using commas are: Rule number 1. Use commas to separate words and word groups in a simple series of 3 or more items. For example, I live with my husband, son, daughter-in-law, and nephew. Rule number 2. Use a comma to separate two adjectives when the order of the adjectives is interchangeable. For example, Tommy is a fluffy, healthy cat. We can also say, Tommy is a healthy, fluffy cat. Rule number 3. In sentences where two independent clauses are joined by connectors, such as and or but, put a comma at the end of the first clause. For example, I finished my homework and took a shower. Rule number 4. Use a comma to separate a city from its state, and remember to put one after the state. Example, I am from Irvine, California. I hope you have the basic understanding for using commas. So it's question time. Do you have any questions? And do not forget to tell your friends next to you about the comma rules that you just learned. After the discussion, let's take a look at the questions. Add commas to the following sentences to make them correct. I had an apple and a bottle of milk for my breakfast this morning. Lisa is a pretty and outgoing girl in my class. Jerry brushed his teeth and went to sleep. Annie is from Beijing, China. To get a deep understanding of using comma, you can use Khan Academic and K5 Learning website. There are various lectures and practice questions on Khan Academic and lots of practice questions on K5 Learning website. You can always ask me questions when you have trouble understanding the content. Thank you.